kids, how are you? Yes, Shipra welcomes you for another exciting activity with our DIY today. I, on behalf of Yellow Class, welcome you for a DIY activity. And before we start, kids, yes, you all know what we have to do. Yes, let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY, and you can see something on my table. Yes, kids, this is a tissue painting where I have not used brush much. I'm not saying I've not used the brush at all. I'm saying I've just used the brush for the background. Okay, and after that also I have given little bit of my changes with the tissue paper. So let me just tell you what we are going to use today. We need a tissue paper roll and watercolors, orange, green, brown, whatever you are comfortable with, whatever you want to use. I have used green, dark green, light green, brown, yellow and orange. Okay, so let us just start. We don't have to draw, we are directly doing the painting part. So for that, first of all, I will be using orange color, and you all know we make orange by adding yellow and red. I just want a watery background, not very dark background I need. So I'm not using much of my colors. I will be doing much of water, using much of the water as such. So you can see I've taken very less color, and this only I will be using for almost complete of my background for the painting. We'll just do simple painting, kids. If you feel the yellow is too much, you can just add little bit of red to it. You basically want to make a reddish tint of the sun setting. I am using more of my water, less of my yellow color. You can see I have used much water only and very less color. And I have done just a simple random brushing. Okay. Now you must be seeing a lot of water on my sheet. We just need a thick sheet, and after that we'll just put our tissue paper to absorb that water. So it will give a little bit of texture to your painting. If you feel there is little more water, you can even again, don't press it too hard. We just want to remove the extra color and extra water basically. So little texture it has given to my painting. And we'll just wait for a few seconds for it to dry. will wash my brush till the time my painting is getting little dry, because as I told you, we have used little more water and very less of color. So we have to just wait for it to dry. Okay. And now, okay, this is almost done. What we are going to take, we are going to take green color. Okay. Green, dark green, as well as light green. And we are going to make small balls of the tissue paper. You can see how I have just taken a tissue paper like this, small tissue paper, and I have rolled it like I have crumpled it like this. And now this will be used as my dots for this. And then we'll draw the tree. And with this only we will, with another new tissue, we will be making our sun also. So let me just take out my green color. As I told you, I have taken light green and dark green, and little bit of brown also we can add later on. Okay. Now we will be using less water, kids. Till now we have used more water, but now we will be using less water. Because if the water will be more, the tissue paper will absorb the water and our painting will not come out that good. Less water, kids. Remember, earlier we have used more water. Now very less water. Okay. And as I have told you, what I have done, I have made this crumpled paper. I'm going to show you again. This painting will require a lot of tissue paper. I always keep this toilet tissue roll in my painting box only. And then later on, I even save this for my craft activities. Okay, I have just taken 2 sheets. I have folded it like this. So basically, I have crumpled it. Don't make 2 big balls. Don't make 2 small balls. Okay, and we'll just press it nicely and we'll start doing the dabbing part. Even somewhere you will see that the tissue paper, the pieces of little tissue paper will also stick to your painting. But that's fine, because this will give you this will give a kind of a texture painting, kids. Okay, now I'm taking my green color. So if little bit of your pieces also stick to the paper, that's completely fine. I will take now a little green more, dark green. Okay, so basically our green part has been done. Okay, now we'll take the brown color. Okay, and we'll make the tree. Or even we can first make our sun and then we'll make the tree, because We want the yellow. If the little brownish tinge also come, it's completely fine. Okay, we are going to do the sun first. Again, not much water, very less water, and yellow color. Okay. And very less red we will be adding later on to this. Now again I will make my tissue roll, but this time we are going to make a smaller roll because we just need to make small circle. So our roll should be smaller. So kids, just be careful that you have to use less water. I have made a raw yellow color. Put a circle like this. So we have to just see that our circle comes out nicely. Okay, perfect. So our sun has come out nicely. Now this only we will use to give the shading skin. So I'm saying your paper might come out. So that's completely fine because this is basically a kind of a texture painting we are giving. Now I'm making another tissue roll. Simply I have crumpled the paper, tissue paper, okay? Okay, kids? I am just using a little bit of yellow. If you feel that more of your tissue has come out, you can even remove that. But that's completely fine, as I have told you that this is done. Now we'll make the tree. For the tree also, we'll take brown color. Okay, and a tissue roll. Little tissue we'll take. We'll again make it like this. This time we are taking care that we are not folding it. We have made it like a brush. Okay, we'll take out brown color. Again, very less water. And this time I am taking it like a brush. So by this time our green color has already dried. Okay. Make the stems like this. Now you can just reduce the thickness also if you want. But before that, what I will do just little dabbing here also to show it is a path. And I have taken a small tissue paper like this one, reduce the size. Because I don't want very thick lines for the branches now. Okay. So this is the tree basically. The only thing now left is the green part again for the tree. Okay. So we'll take the same tissue paper, or we can take another tissue paper also. And again, we will do the crumpling again. Very less water, kids, and just little dabbing of the tree. So I'm not making a very thick or dense tree. I just want to give a look that this is a tree with less leaves. And so kids, you can see our tissue painting is ready, where we have left if the pieces and given a texture with the help of the tissue. You can see. So I hope tissue paper painting you have liked it. It's quite easy, quite simple. You can easily make it. Tissue paper is easily available. Take a thick sheet so that the water, because in the beginning we are putting more water, so that sheet is thick enough to observe the water. The rest we will remove from with the help of the tissue. So I hope kids you have enjoyed this painting, and do share your pictures, do share your videos, do let us know how you have liked it. Was it easy? Was it tough? We are looking forward for your videos. Hope you have liked this. This was quite simple. Soon we are going to meet again with our new DIY activities. This is time to say bye-bye. Goodbye, kids.